Okay, time for a brand new ultimate taste test. And what will I be trying today? Limited Edition Hostess Donettes. Caramel Crunch Mini Donuts. As you can see, they are rather small. And they pretty much resemble any other kind of mini donut. They have an interesting smell about them, or an interesting aroma. And the color could be a caramel color. I haven't tried them yet. Well, speaking of trying them, I think now's a good time. It has a nice caramel taste to it, and not much really of crunch. And I may be wrong, but I believe there's coconut involved in this donut. And I think it's toasted coconut. Now, for that reason alone, I'm not going to try them anymore. So, it's a good donut if it had no coconut. If it had no coconut, it might be a better donut. But, since it does seem to have coconut, I'm only going to give it a 5 out of 10. So, if you like this video, give me a thumbs up, let me know you like it. If you're brand new to this channel and you love what you see, subscribe to my channel. Become part of my YouTube family. And when you do, leave a message in the comment section below. That way I can say, welcome to the family. And of course, if you wish to, you may write me a letter. You can send it to Kenny Davenport at P.O. Box 198, Crossville, Tennessee 38557.